Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. In this video I'm going to show you two ways of how you can enter the recovery mode, but before we go there I just want to show you how you can access your recovery keys for recovery mode, because in recovery mode you might accidentally trigger BitLocker, and we cannot prevent this from happening. However, we can be aware and we can be prepared for that by knowing where to find our recovery keys so that our device doesn't get fully locked by a BitLocker. And in order to find your recovery keys, if you have access to your system on your HP laptop, you can easily do it from there, but otherwise you can switch to another PC and open a web browser on it, or it can be any other device. Basically, it can be your smartphone, it can be a tablet, anything. All we have to get is a device with an internet connection. So on this other device, we're gonna have to go to the Microsoft website, which we can reach by entering aka.ms/myrecoverykey. So this address is the address to myrecoverykey, to recovery keys web page. Just enter it into your path field, and then we're gonna have to sign into our Microsoft account. To do that first, this has to be the same Microsoft account which is linked with your HP laptop. So enter your email address or phone number in the first field and click Next. And then let's receive a code on our email. So click Send Code option, and then let's open our email. Check our email that is linked with this Microsoft account. And there you will find a single-use code in your last received message. Check this code and enter it into this field. Then if you want to stay signed in, click Yes, otherwise click No, it doesn't really matter. And then wait until this page is loaded. And on this page you'll be able to spot the entire table with BitLocker recovery keys. The recovery keys are located in the middle column, and as you can see we have the other parameters of this for these recovery keys. So you can locate the recovery key relevant for your PC by checking the device name, if you do know your device name, your laptop's device name, or you can check the key upload date, which is the day when you set up your Windows for the last time, when you set a link to your Windows account with your laptop, basically. But if you don't know any of this, don't worry. The main key we need to focus, the main column that we need to focus on is the key ID, which will only be shown when our device gets locked by a BitLocker in recovery mode. So just in case your device gets locked by BitLocker, just check the recovery key, which will 100% be shown on your screen, and find the recovery key matching your key ID and enter it into the respective field of the BitLocker screen. And this will basically unlock the recovery mode for you in case you get stuck in there. So that's basically it. And right now let's switch back to our laptop. And now the first way we can enter the recovery mode on this laptop is by holding down the right shift button. So hold it down, then select Power Options, then go to Power, select Start menu, go to Power Options, select Restart, and then keep your shift button held until your device is restarted. After your device restarts, you will see Please Wait sign on your screen. At this point, you can release the right shift button and wait until your device boots you into boots into recovery mode. Here we're gonna have to basically select any option that we need. Fortunately, we can use our touchpad in here. So just go wherever you need to go and do whatever you need to do. Now I'm just gonna go back to the first screen and select turn off this PC to show you the second method of how we can enter the recovery mode. So in case your device is switched off and you cannot access your system, then to start the recovery mode, you're gonna have to short press the power button once and then start repeatedly pressing F11 button. And once you see please wait sign on your screen again, this means that your device is entering the recovery mode. So right now let's wait until we are in the recovery mode. And it's basically the same menu. So it's the second way that we can enter it. So right now let's go to Troubleshoot Advanced options, and here we'll select Startup Settings and see if this triggers the BitLocker. So let's restart the PC and see what happens. I suspect that this time nothing will happen. Yeah. So BitLocker didn't get triggered, but just in case BitLocker gets triggered on your PC, you know what to do. So let me just press enter to return to the Windows, and this will be it for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.